String beans are also known as green beans and French beans, among other common names. They are vegetables that grow on vines and they're eaten in their pods before they become fully matured. String bean pod tea is an excellent natural substitute for insulin, and it is extremely useful to diabetics. The skin of string beans are very rich in silica and certain hormone substances that are closely related to insulin. And 1 cup of string bean pod tea is equal to at least 1 unit of insulin. The serving size for this tea is 1 cup, and for your ingredients, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of string beans to about 1 cup of water. You're going to add the water to a pot and put it to boil. Meanwhile that is being done, you're going to cut up your string beans. Once the water starts to boil, you're going to add the string beans to the water. Allow it to boil for about 30 seconds. Then you're going to turn off the flame. Ensure that the pot cover is on and allow it to steep for about 15 minutes. Then you're going to strain it off, allow it to cool. Then you're going to consume the tea without any sweeteners. The recommended dosage is 1 cup of string bean pod tea, morning, noon, and evening. String beans can be boiled in a pot for about 4 minutes and then consumed. You can steam them in a steamer basket for about 2 minutes. Or you can put them in a microwave with 2 tablespoons of water for around 3 minutes and then consume them. String beans are high in fiber. This will slow the breakdown of carbs into sugars in your bloodstream and assist your body's insulin response to glucose and help you burn fat faster. They also limit the spikes in glucose levels after meals. String beans are rich in antioxidants, and this can help to reduce oxidative stress the body experiences over time due to free radical damage. And one of the main causes of diabetes and its complications is the increase in oxidative stress. String beans also have flavonoids and phenolic compounds, which have been found to lower diabetes and obesity risks. They also contain magnesium, which is needed by the body to normalize metabolism, process insulin, and keep blood sugar levels stable. The glycemic index of string beans is only 32, which is considered low because low glycemic foods are those with a glycemic index of 55 or lower. And if you don't know, the glycemic index ranges from 0, which is low, to 100, which is high, with lower numbers representing foods more likely to help you manage diabetes than higher numbers. The foods are also categorized as safe, moderately safe, or harmful to diabetics. According to research, a diet that is rich in green vegetables, like string beans, can help you to lose weight and prevent arteriosclerosis, which is a severe artery disease that can be a fatal risk factor for people with diabetes. String beans can be tough on the digestive system. So it is recommended for you to start by adding a small amount to your meal. You can gradually increase the amount over time. This will give the body enough time to adjust to the string beans. This is actually the best way to enjoy the benefits of string beans without any adverse reactions. If you would like to learn 5 tips that are guaranteed to help you manage diabetes effectively, then please click on the link in the description below. It is titled 5 Tips to Manage Diabetes Naturally.